So how's that made you feel, this situation?
Like an animal. I feel like a trapped animal. Well, I'm stuck. I've been in this chair for 3 years. I can't get out the house because of the stairs. I can't get upstairs for a shower or a bath. I just can't do anything.
So yeah.
I'm just stuck.
And you've obviously spoke to the council.
Yeah.
And what have the council said?
They said they're only dealing with the homeless. Just that they can't help me.
How long ago was it you contacted the council? It's obviously 3 years.
Yeah. My carers get me up about 6:45 in the morning. They get me dressed and wash me. And then I'm just sitting there for the rest of the day.
So how's that made you feel, this situation?
Like an animal. I feel like a trapped animal. I'd like to get ground floor property.